Hello everyone, my name is Mcclendon. Today I'm going to be going over some economic news, some gold and silver, and the dollar. What's happening to get you guys in line with the market, and you guys don't get caught off guard when it comes to some economic news. So let's check it out. When it comes to gold, gold has been heading down, and it's at 1770. For the last few months, gold at this $2,000 high, a little bit above it, has been trading down, slowing down. Now, when it comes to paper gold, is what we're looking at. Paper gold has been a good short, but I think it's going to start slowing down and to head to higher highs. Now, if you've been buying over here like I have and been talking about it for many years, this is all good and it's cheap over here to be buying. But I'm gonna go into that to the a little bit later. Now we're looking at silver on the monthly. Let me zoom over here. Alright, now silver has had like a almost 5 month down. Now this is really good because if you're trading it on like SLV or SIVR, I believe. Now buying it just helps out. I mean, you can be doing a long-term trade with this. For me, I buy a lot with physical. I do hit it with the ETFs and ETNs. So here is a good buying time for me. But if you're looking at buying precious metals like the actual bullion, it is cheaper, way cheaper. The spreads are way smaller, and I think it's a great time to be buying physically and on the markets. And here's APMEX as an example. So just go to APMEX and just look at some of the prices. They're a lot cheaper than it was a few months ago. I think overall the gold and silver is going to be going up. So you look at these American Eagles, are selling at $31. Some this is the ones that I always buy. The 1 ounce silver bars, $26. So you are buying a little bit over, but it's not as high as it used to be a few months ago. So now let's check out the dollar. Now the dollar has been bouncing. If you check on the monthly off that 90 level. So if the dollar goes up a little bit higher, to say it keeps on trending to the 100s again, this as forex traders is going to be a lot easier. You ever just follow the trend, whatever currency is matched with the dollar. And if the gold and silver prices go cheaper, then what I am going to do is be buying even more. Because this whole fake economy planned by the Federal Reserve, planned by the bankers and central planners, it is going to get worse. And owning precious metals is a good hedge, and investing overseas is a good hedge for it. Now, guys, I always talk about this. I said oil is going to be hitting $100. So if you're trading it, that's what I'm saying. I'm going long to 100. Oil is the lifeblood of the market. Without oil, they can't pump it up. They can't prop it up as easy. So as oil goes up, it's going to make it easier for them to prop up the markets. So check out some news, guys. For this week, we're going to have bank holidays all through Wednesday, up to Wednesday for China. We got one for Australia. But some of the bigger stuff we have ADP non-farm employment change on Wednesday for the dollar. Now you guys can check out this list. I'll have it posted below. But I'm going to show you that this Friday is going to be really massive. You got Canadian unemployment change on unemployment rate. Same thing for we get average earnings for the dollar. This is going to be going up. Now we all know these numbers are really faked and really, God, this is so just made up. The way they look at the numbers, like the CPI, called the CPI. But I go on that a little later in a different video, but showing you guys this news here. Please check out this website, forexfactor.com. I'll have it posted below. But that's it, guys. That's the video. Just giving you guys some economic news about what's happening. If you guys don't want to learn more about trading and investing, please check out my website. Go to indicators. I got MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 indicators that I back tested on there. And also some stats on gold and silver and some stocks pages to look at easy analysis. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys for being to the end of the video. I will see you guys on the next one.